That super typhoon, 195-mile-per-hour winds cutting through the Philippines. Hurricane Sandy crashing on shore, winds now at 90 miles per hour, and this storm is so big, so vast, 60 million Americans will feel its power.
Name is all too familiar. Katrina, the storm that ravaged New Orleans.
Up to 7 times as many Katrina-sized hurricanes. The study goes on to say the strongest hurricanes are likely to become more common with only half the level of warming projected currently by scientists.
The scientific consensus has been extraordinarily clear on this. I mean, it's almost nothing we have ever done in human progress has had this many scientists with this amount of study saying that, look, this is what the future holds. And yet we are stuck in the blame game, in the finger pointing, and waiting for one nation to act before the other.